Are you seeing the Windows Resource Protection could not start the repair service error in Windows 11? I'll show you how to fix it quickly and easily. Press the Windows key plus I to open the Settings app and select the Update and Security option. Select the Recovery option in the left pane and click the Restart Now button under Advanced Startup. When your PC restarts, choose Troubleshoot Advanced Options. Now, select the Startup Settings option. Click the Restart button. Once your PC restarts, press the corresponding key to enable Safe Mode or Safe Mode with networking. Next, when your PC boots up, press the Windows key, type CMD, and select Run as Administrator under Command Prompt. Finally, copy and paste the SFC command below and hit Enter to run it. SFC Scano. Press the Windows key plus S, type CMD, and click Run as Administrator under Command Prompt. Type the command below and hit Enter. ICASLSC Windows Win 6s. Finally, wait for the command to finish running and restart your PC. Launch Command Prompt as an administrator. Type the command below and hit Enter. CHKDSK C/R. Now, press Y when you are prompted. Finally, restart your PC, and the scan will begin automatically when your PC boots up. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.